Welcome back to our safety training series in Construction Safety Man channel. Excavation is the foundation of any major project, but it is also one of the most dangerous. Understanding the specific hazards before you dig is the first step to coming home safe. Not all digs are the same. Earth excavation involves removing layers of soil to reach a specific depth, while trench excavation is a narrow underground harvest, typically deeper than it is wide. And there are other excavation types such as cut and fill, where earth is removed in one location and filled in another. Also there is dredging where slush earth is removed from river or water body. Now let's talk about hazards in excavation. The most common danger is a cave-in or trench collapse. Thousands of pounds of soil can bury a worker in seconds. Stabilize your environment. Use the sloping method to cut walls back at a safe angle, or the benching method to create a series of horizontal steps. These prevent the pressure that leads to collapse. While sloping and benching works on soil that are stable, loose and sandy soils require much robust protection systems such as shoring and shielding methods. Look out for what's hidden. Striking underground electrical cables can cause instant electrocution or explosions. Danger isn't just in the soil, it's in the air. Deep excavations can trap hazardous gases or suffer from low oxygen. To stay safe, finding underground utilities by cable detection tools and exposing underground utilities by manual trial pits and securing these utilities are essential. As precautions for hazardous atmosphere, checking using multi-gas detector for presence of hazardous gases and oxygen level to be done. Entry into excavation should only be allowed with safe environment. Fall of material and workers into open and unprotected excavation is a high possibility and high severity events. Proper handrails with toe guards, caution signs, safe access into excavation and use of fall protection devices helps reduce these risks. Excavation is done faster, with excavator machines. And these heavy machines pose risk of struck by while moving and swinging. Mitigation of this risk is possible by barricading the area of machine, with signs. And use of proximity sensors and alarms in excavators. When excavation is close to another building, they pose a risk of destabilizing the nearby structure, which can collapse into the excavation. To remediate damage to nearby structure, use of support to nearby buildings and pile shoring with strut beams to be deployed. Open excavations can accumulate water during rains and seepage from excavation walls. If this is not handled properly, can pose a risk of drowning. Slope protection by tarpaulin and dewatering arrangements in excavation helps mitigate this risk. Hope you enjoyed learning from this video. PLS like, share and subscribe channel.